How to view your blocked accounts on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can view your blocked accounts on your Snapchat. So let's get started. First things first, let us open our Snapchat. Now after you open your Snapchat, just tap on your Bitmoji on the top left, and now you're on your profile section. So after you're here, what you need to do is go to your settings. Now before I tell you guys the next step, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. Now all you need to do is scroll down, and after you scroll down for a while you will see privacy controls. Now under privacy controls you will see blocked users. Now tap on it, and here you will get the list of accounts that you have blocked on your Snapchat. So it's that simple. You can unblock them from here too. And yeah, that is basically it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit the like button.